Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a study abroad emergency with Allianz step by step clearly. In the event of a study abroad emergency, your first step is to remain calm. Assess the situation to understand the severity of the emergency. If it's a medical emergency, seek immediate help from local healthcare services. Make sure to keep your Allianz insurance contact information handy. Next, contact Allianz as soon as possible to report the incident. You can reach them through their 24/7 emergency hotline. Have your policy number and personal details ready for verification. Explain your situation clearly to the representative. They will guide you on the next steps you need to take. If necessary, they can assist with finding a local medical facility. Ensure you document all details, including bills and medical reports. This documentation will be essential for your claim process. If your emergency involves theft or loss of belongings, report it to local authorities. Obtain a copy of the police report as you will need this for your claim. After addressing immediate concerns, review your Allianz policy for coverage details. This will help you understand what expenses can be reimbursed. Gather all relevant documents, including receipts, police reports, and medical records. You can file your claim online through the Allianz Claims portal. Fill out the form thoroughly and attach all required documentation. Submit your claim and keep a copy of everything for your records. Follow up with Allianz if you don't receive confirmation of your claim. Lastly, stay informed about your claim status through their customer service. Being proactive will aid in a smoother recovery process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.